Today's project is approximately a 2012 Yard Machines 27cc, not quite industrial quality weed whacker, but certainly a very powerful one that's given very, very good service. Our problem today is that the primer ball will not stay inflated. Fuel will push up to the carburetor, but it won't push it through and into the gas tank. So there is a blockage in the carburetor. So today it's going to be carburetor off and carburetor apart and see what we find. The first order of business is simply to remove the output to the gas tank and the input to the gas tank. With those removed, we can remove the air filter. This is the primer ball. This is what's not filling. There's just a little tiny bit of fuel in there. Before we can remove the carburetor, the actual throttle has to be disconnected, which is just simply open the throttle and remove the rod. After that, we have two torque screws here. These screws go all the way through and hold the carburetor complete right to the engine block. And there we have our little carburetor off, just like that. So I don't want to damage any of these gaskets. What I'm concerned with is this assembly right here. So we're going to take that apart. Okay, this little primer ball is held on with a couple of Phillips screws. At first I thought possibly the primer ball was split, which is what happens to them. They get old and brittle. But this one has actually already been replaced once in its life. That's why it's nice and clear and not discolored. Okay. Good. Oh yeah, we have dirt in our carburetor. The primer ball removed. We can have a look at the circuitry behind there and just have a look. We've got air to blow everything through and out, and I have carburetor cleaner. Okay, well, I've blown out all the passages. What I'm concerned with is this here, through there. I've soaked everything in some carburetor cleaner. So our goal now is to put this back together. Yeah, come on, get in there. And get things snugged down and see if we're sucking fuel. I don't have to put the carburetor back on to do this. Because I have a bag of new hose. So I'm just going to make up a little piece here. I'm just gonna, I have some new hose. I'm gonna make up a piece. I know that when this was installed on the engine, yeah, we know that this was the inlet and this was the return. So what I'm looking for is I want to put this in some fuel and pump this ball. Well, I can hear it. That's a good sign. I'm quite sure I can blow bubbles in there. Yeah, see, I'm blowing bubbles. So that side's working, but I'm not pulling the fuel. Oops. Come on, get on there, little bugger. So I'm going to push some carb cleaner in here. Yeah. So I have carburetor cleaner in this hose, and you can see that it's not pumping it through. Well, it is a little bit. You can see that one air bubble moving. Well, maybe I have got it working now. Let's put it back in the gas and see what happens. Yeah, look at that. All right, I'm sucking up fuel. So we believe we've got this little guy sucking fuel. So back together she goes. I certainly can think about getting a new gasket set for this carburetor just to make sure that things are sealing nicely. But for now, we're going to give it a try. Don't forget to hook your throttle back up. Simple as that. Now we have our input fuel line and we have our return line. So see how long it takes. We're going to need some fuel in there. We're going to see what we can, how many pumps it will take. Oh yeah, we're getting fuel through there now. So we're going to go see if it runs. Put our air cleaner back together.